Yeah, cut.
Okay, I see. Okay, brother, this one for you. NN, right?
550 sir.
550?
Yeah.
No, 550,
Yung
no,
company
man.
motor.
Man, it's so close.
No, yung company.
Man, I hear you say 50.
550.
Man, 550 is so
Yeah.
much.
Napanood nyo na ba tong viral video na to ng isang tricycle driver na ng scam ng foreigner for 550 pesos? Eto, panoorin nyo muna yung full video at sabay-sabay tayong mainis dito sa tricycle driver na to.
Where going?
Just walking to my hotel. Very close.
Tricycle.
No, thank you. You go close? I am very close.
Yeah.
Only here.
Only you.
Only Red Planet, you know?
Yeah.
You will go?
No.
How much? Okay, we will take his tricycle. I'm only like a 2-minute walk, but let's just try his tricycle. Interesting. How much, brother? Brother, how much first? How much? How much? How much? 50?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Wow, interesting. First time I've been in a tricycle.
Welcome to Philippines.
I like your bike.
Yeah, motorbike.
How many cc's?
200 cc.
200 cc.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. It's good. Fourth gear. Oh, nice. I also drive motorbike, but 150 cc.
You?
I drive 150 cc, yeah, not 200 cc.
Eagle.
This what?
Eagle.
Eagle.
Yeah.
Eagle. You like eagle? You're free like eagle. Flying.
Yeah.
What's your name, brother?
Eminem.
Oh no, your hat. Is that your hat or clothes? I'm gonna drop the clothes. You dropped his clothes. And that is your clothes? I'm close.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Wow, it's a nice bike. How many years do you drive?
Yeah, you 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
And your age?
Yeah.
20 years.
You know. 27, 20 years.
27?
Yeah.
You drive 7 years old.
Yeah.
Wow.
You brother, you motor.
7.
Yeah.
7 years old.
Yeah.
Wow. 7 years old, you've been driving. Is this for a hand? I think I hold my hand like this. I think we need to put this up here so we can talk to him.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Chris.
Chris?
Chris. And your name?
Eminem.
Any name? Any name?
MM.
NN.
Yeah.
NN. Okay, good name. You are from Manila or a different place? Your home.
Philippines, you.
Manila.
Yeah.
You Manila.
You.
Okay, good.
You.
Vlog?
Magazine?
I
No,
make
nothing.
YouTube.
You.
YouTube. Me?
You baby.
Sorry?
Baby.
Free baby.
Yeah.
I'm free baby. Oh wow.
Yeah.
You're a strong man. Strong man. Very strong. Okay, here's good. Well, you know direction. Good. You know your streets.
Okay.
What is this one?
Motor star.
This one.
You cut.
Card. Cat.
Yeah.
Oh, cat. What is for money or for
No money.
no money?
Yeah.
What is inside?
Cut.
Oh, cat. Oh, this is cat.
Yeah, cut.
Okay, I see. Okay, brother. This one for you.
550.
NN, right?
550 sir.
550.
Yeah.
No, 550.
Yung
No,
company
man.
motor.
Man, it's so close.
No, yung company.
Man, I hear you say 50.
550.
Man, 550 is so
Yeah.
much. 550.
You gasoline.
Man,
1,000 gasoline.
550 I go airport.
No, you company.
Man, it's so close. 1 kilometer.
Yeah.
Man, I will give you
You-
100. I hear 50.
No, you company motor. You gasoline. No. sir.
550,
friend.
you're going to charge me.
Yeah, you company motor.
Company moto.
Yeah.
And you're going to charge me 550.
Yeah.
550 for
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
$10 US.
You are.
You're going to charge me that much.
But
You know you're on camera, right?
yeah.
You want? Okay, man. Okay. I will give you 550 then. It's your choice. You say 50, man? Yes, you say 50. I hear you. Okay, man. There's your 550.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You
Don't.
you.
Next time, don't do this.
No.
This is not good, man.
Yeah.
This is not good. Next time, you don't do.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. No, I'm not giving more. Man, sorry guys, that That put me in a bad mood. He said 50 at the beginning. Oh man, I swear to God. Man, that put me in a bad mood. Oh well.
So sa mga tamad panoorin yung full video summary lang. So si foreigner is naglalakad siya pa uwi. So yung distance niya ay 2 minutes lang away from his hotel. And nakita niya tong tricycle driver being friendly, being nice, and nag-i-insist for a tricycle ride. Una, ayaw nung foreigner na sumakay dahil syempre sobrang lapit na lang niya sa hotel niya. Pero itong tricycle driver na to yung nag-i-insist talaga, tinuturo yung tricycle niya. So siguro for the sake of vlog and ma-experience din yung tricycle ride, pumayag na tong si foreigner. Ayun, tinanong naman niya kung magkano, and maririnig naman sa video na 50 pesos nga daw yung charge. And okay naman yung charge since sobrang lapit, mga 3 minutes lang kapag i-tricycle mo yung distance ng hotel. Kaya pumayag din itong foreigner. And then, ayun, so during their ride, super friendly naman nitong tricycle driver, and si Kuya Foreigner din is friendly din talaga siya. May nagbi-build sila ng rapport. Yung tricycle driver, friendly siya, sumasagot naman siya sa foreigner sa mga tanong, nag-e-effort siya na mag-English, although hindi talaga maintindihan yung sinasabi niya, parang iniintindi na lang siya ng foreigner. Tapos ayun na nga, after mga almost 3 minutes na ride, dumating na sila sa destination, sa hotel ng foreigner. And then, ayun na, doon na nag-iba yung pangyayari. From being nice, being friendly, tiyanong siya kung magkano ulit. Babayad na yung foreigner, sabi nung tricycle driver, it's now 550 pesos yung charge niya, 'di ba? Wala pang 5 minutes na tricycle ride, 550 pesos. Doon na medyo nag-iba yung tono nung foreigner kasi syempre tiyanong siya at first, I think more than once niyang tinanong, and 50 pesos ngayong sinabi nung tricycle driver. Tapos all of a sudden, biglang naging 550 pesos. So, ayun. Sa una, naglalaban pa yung foreigner, pero give in na din siya. Parang sinabi pa niya na, parang, alam mo naman diba na may camera ako, pero nag-i-insist pa rin yung driver, yung tricycle driver na it's 550 pesos. May sinasabi siyang parang company, gasoline, mga ganyan. So, siguro, nag-charge siya sa rapport and nag-charge siya dahil na-entertain niya yung foreigner. Parang ganun kasi may sinabi siyang company, gasoline, mga ganyan-ganyan. Ayun, ending, nagbayad pa din itong foreigner ng 550 pesos kahit na against sa will niya na gawin yun. And nabanggit din niya na parang na bad trip siya, na naging bad mood siya all of a sudden dahil nga sa nangyaring pang scam or pang bubudol sa kanya nitong tricycle driver na to. So, ang opinion ko dito ay sobrang nakakahiya nitong ginawa nitong tricycle driver na to. Sana ay masaya ka sa ginawa mo. Sana ay okay ka lang na ang pinapakain mo sa pamilya mo ay galing sa ganyang gawain, hindi maganda. And di natin alam kung ilang foreigners na or ilang customers na yung nabudol mo ng pagdadagdag ng fare sa kanila. And ako na-experience ko to before. Personally, na-experience ko to. I think way back 2013 or 2014. Nung pumunta kami sa Divisoria naman, ganyan din yung nangyari. Kasama ko yung mga friends ko, I think 4 or 5 kami. And sumakay kami ng tricycle din para pumunta sa malapit na LRT station. Tapos, ang binigay sa aming charge, I think nasa 50 pesos lang. Parang mababa lang. Pero ending, siningil kami ng nasa 80 pesos per head or more. Pero ganun yung concept nung nangyari sa amin, nabudol kami. And hindi naman ganun yung initial na napag-usapan namin nung bago kami sumakay sa kanya. So marami talagang ganitong modus, hindi lang siguro sa Manila, kung saan-saan pa yan. So doble ingat talaga. And dahil dito sa nangyari, alam naman ni Kuya Driver na nagvo-vlog itong si foreigner, so pwede talagang mag-viral, and nag-viral na nga, millions of views na yung meron ito sa vlog ni Chris, yung foreigner. And pwede itong masira talaga yung tourism sa Pilipinas, especially dito sa Manila, dahil sa Manila nangyari yung pambubudol, and pwedeng maka-apekto ito sa tourism natin. And sobra talagang nakakahiya. So pwedeng mapanood to ng mga foreigners na nagbabalak na pumunta ng Manila, and baka maging cost na din na i-cancel na lang nila dahil baka mabudol pa sila ng mas malaking amount. So, ang lesson dito sa video na to para kay Kuya Driver, huwag mangloloko ng tao, huwag mang bubudol, dahil laging tatandaan na karma is real and karma is digital na. Pwedeng agad-agad ang balik sa'yo. Pwedeng hindi sa'yo directly, pwedeng sa pamilya mo. So, ganyan siya. So, mag-ingat kapag gumagawa ng masama dahil hindi ka uunlad sa ganyan. Imagine, 20 years ka ng tricycle driver and hindi ka talaga uunlad kapag ganyan ang gawain mo. Instant pera siya, oo, from 50 pesos to 550 pesos yung nakuha mo. Oo, easy money siya, instant money. Makaka-survive ka for the day pero hindi ka talaga uunlad ng ganyang gawain. Okay na sana nag-rapport ka na, ang friendly-friendly mo na, ini-entertain mo yung mga questions ng foreigner, and pwede ka naman niyang bigyan ng tip kapag kinontinue mo yung ganon, pero talagang nagbago yung mood ng foreigner nung kinuhanan mo siya ng 550 pesos. So, sayang talaga yung effort mo dahil hindi ka na makakaulit sa kanya for sure. And ayun, sa mga nakakapanood, sa mga tricycle driver dyan, sana iwag nyo nang gayahin itong ginawa ni Kuyang tricycle driver sa Manila na nag-scam ng 550 pesos dahil maraming maaapektuhan. Hindi lang kayo, pati tourism natin, yung image ng Philippines, image ng Manila sa mga foreigners na pwedeng makapanood nitong viral video na to. Kayo ba, anong masasabi nyo dito sa issue na to? Anong message nyo kay Kuya Driver? Baka mapanood niya tong video natin na to. Comment down below. And kung nagustuhan niyo itong vlog, make sure na naka-follow, naka-subscribe na kayo sa page ko para updated kayo sa mga viral issues. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe.